Information capture is an important part of any software application. Making it easy for users to enter data improves its adoption. There are industry use cases that involve scanning of barcode and QR codes. Let's take a look. Scan inventory in the warehouse or any other location. Scan previously issued visitor passes to allow or disallow entry. Scan and pull up information from documents like invoices, purchase orders, etc. Let's see how you can build applications with QR code scanning in Quixy. Quixy provides 40+ drag and drop form controls to capture any information. To capture barcode or QR code information in the form builder, drop a text field onto the canvas. In the Properties field, check Enable Scanner. If you want the scanner to open automatically when using the app, check Open by default. You can then use the captured information to pull up additional information, as the case may be. It's that simple. To learn more, ask for a free demo or sign up for a free trial today.